Nobody saw it coming. Stellar XLM just became the bridge between crypto and the real economy, for an entire region of 600 million people. This isn't speculation. This isn't a white paper promise. This is history unfolding in real time. While everyone's arguing over Bitcoin, ETFs, and the next meme trend, a quiet revolution just happened, and it changes everything about real-world crypto adoption. Because one network just went live across 20 million physical stores, and barely anyone's talking about it. That's 20 million cash registers, payment terminals, and apps, all now capable of processing transactions through Stellar. So what exactly happened, and why does it matter so much? A company called EON Group, one of Southeast Asia's largest fintech ecosystems, has officially integrated with Stellar. If you've ever used a QR code to pay for food, fuel, or a ride in Malaysia, Thailand, or Vietnam, chances are, you were already using EON's network without even realizing it. And now, that same infrastructure can process USDC and XLM payments instantly. No middlemen. No banks. No waiting 3 days for settlement. Just tap, scan, confirmed. That's not a future roadmap, that's live. And here's the crazy part, these aren't crypto native users. They're everyday consumers, people buying lunch, filling gas, shopping. For them, the blockchain isn't the point. The point is that it works. And that's exactly why this move is so powerful. Because that's what mass adoption actually looks like, crypto in the background, utility in the foreground. Now, let's talk about why Stellar, and not Ethereum or Solana, became the backbone of this rollout. EON didn't pick Stellar because it was trendy or hyped. They picked it because it was built for this exact purpose. Transactions on Stellar settle in under 5 seconds. Fees are near zero, we're talking fractions of a cent. That means you can literally buy a bottle of water with crypto, without wasting half of it on gas fees. For retail and remittance-heavy economies, that's massive. Ethereum can't do that efficiently. Ripple is still fighting regulatory battles. But Stellar? It's been quietly perfecting real-world rails for years. And with USDC living natively on Stellar, it gives both consumers and businesses a stable, compliant, dollar-based value layer, without needing a traditional bank account. That's the part almost no one in crypto media is explaining. This isn't crypto adapting to banks. It's crypto replacing them. Southeast Asia is the perfect testing ground for this. Most of these markets never fully adopted credit cards. They went straight from cash to mobile payments. From physical money to QR codes, skipping the middle step entirely. That leap made the region mobile first by default, and Stellar fits perfectly into that model. It's fast, mobile ready, transparent, and scalable. So what you're watching right now isn't just another integration. It's a shift in financial DNA, from centralized control to decentralized flow. If this works in Southeast Asia, what happens when it spreads? EON already has plans for expansion. Their next targets are Africa and Latin America, two massive regions where over 1.5 billion people still don't have access to stable banking. Think about that for a second. People who've never had a debit card could soon transact globally, paying, saving, and sending value through Stellar's rails. That's not future talk, that's the groundwork for a new kind of global economy. A permissionless one. Borderless. Instant. And all of it powered by XLM. Every remittance. Every small payment. Every merchant transaction adds to the network's real demand. The more volume flows through Stellar, the more liquidity and value gets locked into its ecosystem. And that's where the real story is, because utility always leads price. Always. While most of crypto is busy chasing hype, Stellar's been building infrastructure quietly. While others fight for headlines, Stellar's signing deals with payment giants. And while retail investors are waiting for the next bull run, the foundation of that run is already being laid. Because when a network like Stellar connects 20 million stores, you're not betting on speculation anymore, you're betting on adoption. That's the shift from narrative to reality. From hype coins to hard use cases. And when those fundamentals catch up with market awareness, you know what happens next. The market always reacts, but the smart money moves early. Forget the noise. Forget the hype cycles. Focus on the fundamentals. Because Stellar isn't chasing attention. It's earning adoption. And when adoption becomes undeniable, prices always follow. This is the quiet moment before the spotlight. The calm before the storm. Because while the rest of the market's watching charts, Stellar just planted its flag in the real economy. Across 20 million stores. Across 600 million people. Across borders. And this is only phase 1. So stay sharp, and stay early. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and join the community that spots real adoption before it hits the mainstream. Because by the time everyone else wakes up to what just happened, you'll already be positioned. This is Stellar's moment. And you're watching it unfold. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.